Hi there. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use can and could in polite expressions when you are talking with peoples. I am going to teach you 4 situations to use can and could. The first one is we use could for making suggestions. So imagine you and your friend are planning to go to a restaurant for a dinner. So your friend is giving a suggestion, hey, we could try that new Italian restaurant tonight. And you feel that you don't have much money, so again he is giving a suggestion, you could ask your sister to lend you some money. So for making suggestions we can use could. Our next situation is we can use can or could for making request. See these examples. Can you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt please? Can I speak to Ragul? Could I speak to Ragul please? So you can use either can or could for making request. The difference is could is more polite than can. Our next situation is when we are making offers. We can use again either can or could. See these examples. Can I get you something to drink? Could I get you something to drink, sir? Can I help you with that? Could I help you with that, madam? So, whenever we are making offers, we can use either can or could. Our last one is we can use can or could for asking permission. See these examples. Can I borrow your pen? Could I borrow your pen please? Can I take the day off tomorrow? Could I take the day off tomorrow? So always remember, we can use can when you're talking with friends, relatives, parents. We can use could when you're talking with higher officials or teachers, superiors, right? So these are the polite expressions using can and could. Thank you.